So let me first take the mic and talk something about the youth project and what we are trying to do with this fellowship program. So as a little bit knowledge you might be having about the youth project. So it is about filling the gap between the traditional college education and the market, IT market, and the gap is not that small that can be filled easily. So we need to groom the talent, the fresh talent, and that was the motivation behind why we started the youth project. And uh, this is one of the biggest issues which is not being addressed by the universities and the colleges, and the result of this ignorance and like the negligence is the students have to struggle a lot in their IT careers. Like they have to start with like 5,000 rupees job, 10,000 rupees job, even though like spending a whole lot of hard-earned cash of 8 to 10 lakhs on their engineering, and they are getting 8,000 rupees job. So where is the value of money, right? So this was the biggest motivation that the youth must get the correct remuneration of what they invest. So it is not a replacement, but surely a mandatory filler which the fresh talent need. And we realized on this journey, we realized that we cannot have courses or programs like 45-day course or 1 month course for the candidates, because the youth, the freshers, they need to be mentored in such a way where they have a sense that someone is waiting for them, someone is having patience on them, and they are not just enforce some guidelines or something, but they are giving time to explore and grasp the concept of how application development work and stuff like that. So 2 months ago, we started our very ambitious program, Type Titans, and it has resulted into a very good outcome for us. And students from the last program, which was called Titans, have been outperforming everyone, like literally every classmate of theirs, and that's what gave us the motivation to start this second initiative. And it is going to be about MERN stack only. And for this, by God's grace, we are receiving a huge response, and many students are showing interest. They are proactive about their careers. They know that how things are going in the market. Even the freshers are expected to have the experience of building something. So this is going to be your catalyzer in the IT field, and this is going to be your cornerstone when it comes to your IT career. And we would be not be helping you only technically, but also grooming you in the sense of like your extracurricular skills, your social skills, and how exactly you can climb the ladder towards the best green jobs in the IT market. And some of our students, they have started receiving their offers from some companies. So this gives us a great pleasure and motivation to do it more and more. And that's why some of the students demanded that we want to experience a bit of how they want to take a glimpse of how exactly, like how we teach, what are the tools and techniques we are going to use, what what exactly they are going to learn. So that's why we kept this session. And now my colleague Gaurav is going to brief you about how we are going to uh, execute the next 3 months with you. And it is going to be a very interesting journey, and not like other training coaching centers or whatever they are called. So yeah, Gaurav. So I think
Yes, thank you, Devans. So
the stage
you
is
summed
yours. Yeah.
it up pretty well, and I think I can start out with a brief introduction about it. So let me just share my screen. And just a second. Mhm. Fine. Here you go. Cool. So the things that we will be covering today is, I hope you people are comfortable in both English and Hindi. और अगर हिंदी में if you are not comfortable, you can let us know. ठीक है? So we'll take care of that. So the main objective of this session is, सबसे पहली बात, what is the syllabus we are talking about? Like, what are the things that we will be learning? Actually, syllabus would not be the right word to do that, right? What will we learn? Second, why will we learn that? And then the third is how it is going to benefit. Okay. So many of you are in are currently studying in different like engineering colleges, doing some stuff here and there. Okay. So you know the problem is right now, even you know this, right? The way the engineering technology and everything is working out, that's not pretty well, and there are a lot of things that needs to be done. You know, the job market right now is very volatile, and you cannot be you cannot get a pretty good job just getting out of the college as a graduate. You need something else also. So that's the main reason why we started the youth project program. You know, we like me and Devansh, we both are like independent consultant working for different companies, and together also we are working together on few things. Okay, and we have been doing pretty good, but fortunately, and we are really like passionate about teaching people how to program, how to code like that. Okay, so we thought that the youth project could be a very good opportunity for everyone, and it can actually help everyone to the students to get the right path. So with that intention, we started the youth project, and when we started the youth project, you know, our main goal was actually going offline into the market and trying to help everyone. So we plan to have boot camps in different cities, around 2 or 3 months boot camp, and have a like very good offline experience with you people, and give you a little knowledge about how working in a company is like, what are the things that you require, and how to like, what are the tools that are used. But unfortunately, you know, because of this lockdown situation and everything, we are not able to go offline. So we thought that okay, if we are going online, we need to still imitate how big companies work. Even you know, most of the companies have gone online, and IT companies have the benefit of like evolving and changing really fast according to the need. So that's what they did, and they are able to like, you know, benefit right now using the current scenario. So first thing is, uh, I think the first question should be, that is zeroth question, where we will learn. सो यू नो, अभी जैसे ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज की बात करते हो आप लोग, आपको पता होगा कि लोग बोलते हैं कि ना अपन जूम पे पढ़ाते हैं, लाइक दैट इवन द बिगेस्ट ऑफ द कोचिंग सेंटर्स एंड ऑल दोस पीपल आर एक्चुअली वर्किंग ऑन जूम. जूम क्या है पता है? जूम इज लाइक अ कंफर्ट जोन ऑफ द मेंटर्स बिकॉज दे डोंट नो एनीथिंग एल्स. बट व्हाट वी वांट टू डू इज give you experience of the tool used in IT sector. So right now also, for many of you, it might be the first time that you are attending a meeting on Teams. So Microsoft Teams is like a de facto standard in most of the companies. They use this tool to actually run down the meetings. So if you have experience with a tool that is already used in the professional environment, so it becomes very easy for you to move forward. Okay. So that's why our main goal, the basic goal हमने cover करते वक्त ये चीज सोची थी कि एक एक चीज हमको थोड़ा सा इस वे में करना है कि it actually helps you in your career. ठीक है. So that's why we actually opted for Microsoft Teams. So every one of you will be actually getting an ID, and you will be able to log in, and you will be able to access the assignments, the resources that we are teaching, the code and everything. You will be able to interact with other students, and all these things will be there. Okay. The second part is what we will learn. So, you know, like many of you are from different streams. Some are from basic streams like computer science. Some are from EC. There are people who are here in from biotech as well. There are people who are from cloud computing, like that. There are many fields that we are into, and getting a basic, thinking of a base that could actually help everyone. It actually involved a lot of you know, brainstorming from us. So when we thought about it कि what are the basic things जो आप किसी को सिखा सकते हो जो हर किसी को काम आएगी, or that could help every single person from all these different fields to get a job. So first thing that we realized what was JavaScript. Now, why JavaScript? Like if you are aware of the website that is GitHub, so let me open that for you. Okay, so GitHub is the website, like you can say that this is the place where the open source exists. ये वो जगह है जहाँ पर if you talk about Linux or any other software that is like open source software is there. This is the home page of all those source code, right? Everything is over here on this website. Like even if I want to go and see the Linux source code, so I can go here and see that. So maybe I'll just go from here. Linus, oh, it's Torvalds/Linux. So here you see, let it load. This is the actual source code of Linux. Okay, so GitHub is somewhere where what we prefer is that every student should have their pretty good up-to-date profile, and other big companies actually check you on github.com. If you don't have a profile right now, irrespective of anything that we will be doing in the future, please create a profile on GitHub, where it's very, very important today. Okay. So according to the GitHub, JavaScript is the language which is the most popular. Like most of the code that is actually there on GitHub right now, it is written in JavaScript. So that means, this is the language that everyone needs to know at the moment. You know why? Because this language can actually help you in creating a good website. It can actually help you in creating good mobile applications as well. And it can actually help you create backend server side coding and everything like that. Okay. So the three things I talked about is, first was web development. Of course, you know that JavaScript is a language जो अपन web development में use करते हैं. Second is mobile development, and third is server side development. Okay. So that's why the course that we wanted to design was, we thought that JavaScript is the best candidate. That is the language of the choice that we need to focus on. Okay. The next thing is, what else? Like, okay, this is like one thing. Now, what else are we thinking about? So then we thought about कि ठीक है, JavaScript अपन ने decide कर लिया है. अब इस program को कैसे अपन वो करें कि a person who is from CS background, someone who is from EC background, biotech, cloud computing, any background, they should be able to benefit. Now, the choice of platform was web, first thing. So web is something, आजकल ऐसा कहा जाता है कि कोई भी कंप्यूटर आता है ना, कोई भी, even if you are buying a laptop, if you are working buying a cell phone itself, आपके पास हमेशा दो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होते हैं. पहला ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होता है, दैट इज द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम दैट यू आर यूजिंग. मे बी यू हैव विंडोज, यू हैव मैक. अगर आप फोन पे हो तो iOS हो सकता है, एंड्रॉइड हो सकता है. द सेकेंड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम दैट वी ऑफन इग्नोर इज द वेब ब्राउजर. So if you open Google Chrome, or if you open any other browser, it's a different, different scenario, different scene, different environment altogether, right? So web is that big of a platform, and it is a universal platform where no matter which place you are on, no matter which operating system you are on, or which device you are on, web is a universal language that everyone speaks. So knowing web is very important. Now many people like come to us and they say, hey, sir, I don't need to learn web development. I am like into machine learning, I'm into data science, or I'm into something else like that. So I don't think that that's pretty much needed, right? But web development is the language that everyone is speaking. For example, if you're doing a data science, then if you want to visualize that stuff, how will you do that? For visualizing, you will need JavaScript, right? आपको JavaScript के थ्रू कुछ बनाना पड़ेगा विजुअलाइजेशन, जो आप दिखा सको कि सर देखो, या see, I have created that thing. So that's why whatever thing you are working on, web is something that converges everything. So that's one thing. Now the two parts of web development is, first is front end and back end. Okay. So the difference is, if we talk about front end, so front end is something that is actually visible to you, like this web browser. So there is this website. So this website is actually like a front end, and then at the back side of it, powering this website, there is actually a server. So there is a server at the back side. Okay. This is the server, and it actually connects to this server and request data. So you have a server for Google, you have for GitHub, for Facebook, for Instagram, like that, right? So these are the servers which are there. So आप उन सर्वर से कनेक्ट करके उनसे डेटा लेना, और उन सर्वर्स के पीछे उनके डेटाबेसेस भी होते हैं, राइट? तो दैट इज द होल फुल स्टैक आर्किटेक्चर दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो ये फुल स्टैक आर्किटेक्चर को कैसे बनाते हैं? कैन यू एज अ स्टूडेंट डेवलपर क्रिएट अ full stack architecture and a full stack solution? Yes, you can. And that's what is the main target, the main essence of this program. What we are going to learn is, first thing, at the backend side, we will be seeing creating APIs at using Node.js server. The Node is a language that is Node is a kind of platform which uses JavaScript language, और जिसके थ्रू आप एक सर्वर साइड पे वो बना सकते हो, APIs बना सकते हो, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट थिंग, बस API से कुछ नहीं होगा, आप या बस सर्वर बनाओगे तो उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. सर्वर के साथ डेटाबेस भी होता है पीछे हमेशा, ठीक है? APIs क्या होता है अपन उसको पूरा अच्छे से कोर्स में देखेंगे कि व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्रामिंग इंटरफेस. बहुत से लोगों ने सुना होगा कि ये क्या होता है और कैसे यूज होता है, और बहुत से लोगों को नहीं पता होगा. But yes, we will be covering everything. What we assume is that, if you are joining this program, we'll be teaching you everything from basics. Like even if there is it's HTML ना, हम आपको HTML भी बताएंगे HTML क्या होता है. अब आप अगर ये बोलोगे कि सर हमको HTML पहले से आता है, even still we will be giving you pretty beautiful exercises, जिससे तुमको लगेगा कि even if I know that thing, still you will be learning something new. So always, always if you will be learning, if you will be attending sessions, you will be like learning something. So there will be always something new that you will be exposed every day. Okay. So that is the backend side of it. And then we have MongoDB. So MongoDB is one of the most used NoSQL databases. So NoSQL is normally not taught in, in most of the syllabus in engineering colleges, but NoSQL is something that is picking up right now. आप लोगों ने भी सुना होगा NoSQL के बारे में. NoSQL is basically like SQL होता है जिसके अंदर टेबल्स के अंदर डेटा स्टोर होता है. तो इसमें टेबल्स नहीं होती है, और ये बहुत ईजी होता है देन SQL थिंग, ठीक है? इट्स प्रिटी मच स्केलेबल, और जितना भी सोशल मीडिया का डेटा या ऐसा डेटा होता है जो नॉन स्ट्रक्चर्ड होता है, तो सब चीज़ें MongoDB में सेव होता है. So we'll be also teaching you that what is MongoDB, how to use NoSQL databases and like that. ये सब चीज़ें आप इन सब पे प्रैक्टिकली काम करोगे. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि हमको थ्योरी बता देंगे कि ये ऐसा चलता है वैसा चलता है. नहीं भाई, हम लोग थ्योरी में इतना विश्वास नहीं रखते. एवरीथिंग दैट वी वर्क ऑन इज प्रैक्टिकल हियर, ठीक है? देन कम्स द फ्रंट एंड पार्ट. सो फ्रंट एंड में आपको सबसे पहली चीज़ जो जानना है, दैट इज HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Basic building blocks of a web development, right? If you want to create something on the web, you need to know this three language pretty good, okay? You need to be aware of these three things. So that is what is going to be our main concern, and we will be learning all the three languages. HTML क्या होता है, HTML5 के अंदर कौन कौन से नए टैग्स होते हैं जिनको आप यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो. CSS के अंदर पूरा CSS, मतलब हाउ टू क्रिएट ब्यूटीफुल डैशबोर्ड्स, हाउ टू यूज रिस्पॉन्सिव डिजाइन. रिस्पॉन्सिव क्या होता है कि आपके सेल फोन पे भी अच्छा दिखना चाहिए और बड़ी स्क्रीन पर भी अच्छा दिखना चाहिए. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइज, अकॉर्डिंग टू स्क्रीन साइज विच इज देयर ऑफ द यूजर, आपका जो यूजर इंटरफेस है वो चेंज हो रहा है. तो वो कैसे होता है? और देर आर मल्टीपल ऑनलाइन CSS frameworks which are there. तो हाउ यू कैन यूज दोज फ्रेमवर्क्स एंड क्रिएट अ वंडरफुल एप्लीकेशन. तो क्या है कि पता है, you don't know right now कि which is the best place for you, ठीक है? It takes time. Even for me it took a bit time to understand that what is the best place, कौन सी ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जिससे मुझे बहुत अच्छा एक्साइटमेंट आता है, लाइक दैट, ठीक है? सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप हर चीज़ के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करो. कॉलेज टाइम होता है इसलिए हर चीज़ के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करो. आपको एक चीज़ स्ट्राइक करे कि वो इतना अच्छा लगेगा ना आपको, कि आपको लगेगा यार मेरे को तो बस इसी चीज़ में फ्यूचर बनाना है. और वो चीज़ कैसे पता चलेगी? जब आप अलग अलग लैंग्वेजेस के साथ, अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म्स के साथ आप एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हो, ठीक है? And then JavaScript. Now JavaScript is something that is evolving so fast. अगर आपको आज कोई बुक भी मिल जाएगी ना JavaScript की, तो वो भी हो सकता है कि पुरानी हो चुकी हो, even if it is the latest edition, because every 6 months you will see that something new is actually happening in JavaScript landscape, and it's evolving pretty fast, ठीक है? अब हम लेटेस्ट स्टैंडर्ड्स देखेंगे JavaScript के अंदर कि कैसे लेटेस्ट JavaScript को कोड किया जाता है, and how you can use that to create a wonderful application. एक बार you are comfortable in creating basic applications using बस HTML, CSS and JavaScript, फिर इसके बाद we will be moving to advanced concepts, that is React.js. So React.js is a kind of framework, ठीक है, जैसे अपन ने बोला ना कि अगर आपको सर्वर साइड पे आपको JavaScript यूज करना है तो you can use Node.js technology. Similarly, there is a React.js technology. You might have heard of it. You might have heard of Angular, you might have heard of Vue, like that. So these are all technologies which are there to actually help you create wonderful applications. Okay, React is something that was created by Facebook and it is being used a lot these days. So it is normally expected that, you know, if you want to be a front-end developer, this is the platform of choice or technology of choice, and you should know how to create applications using React. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा कि जब आप एक बार बेसिक्स इससे कवर हो जाएगा, आपको बेसिक पिलर्स पता चल जाएगा, then it is going to be very very easy for you to actually move forward and create a website using or any other application using React. The best benefit about React is कि React से आप वेबसाइट तो बना ही सकते हो, बट React का एक छोटा सा एक्सटेंशन भी आता है जिसको अपन बोलते हैं React Native, that can actually help you in creating mobile applications on iOS and also Android. So अगर कल आपको Android एप्लीकेशन बनानी है, iOS ऐप बनानी है जो आप प्ले स्टोर पे सबमिट कर सको, जो बिल्कुल परफेक्टली चले, तो you can use this React.js framework. You know, you might be using Facebook or Instagram applications. These applications are actually coded using React Native. So this is something that is actually used in industry grade applications that we will be learning. ठीक है, अब ये बस यहीं पर ही खत्म नहीं होता है कहानी. ठीक है, सो ये चीज़ तो मैंने आपको बता दिया. आई थिंक आई ऑल्सो कवर्ड यू व्हाई वी विल लर्न दैट. ठीक है, एंड हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बेनिफिट. ठीक है, सो पहली चीज़ आपको पता है, जॉब मार्केट वेरी वेरी वॉलेटाइल, you cannot trust anything right now. ठीक है, second thing, what will be like your eligibility, change in eligibility after this program. So what I mean by this is, you know, जैसे अभी भी जो हमारी करंट बैच चल रही है उसमें बच्चे बोलते हैं कि सर लाइक हमको फ्रेशर्स में अच्छा जॉब मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, ये नहीं. मैं उनको बोलता हूँ भैया फ्रेशर मार्केट से हटो, यू आर नॉट फ्रेशर्स एनी मोर, यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट मच जितना आपको 1 साल एक्सपीरियंस या 2 साल एक्सपीरियंस बंदे को या बंदी को आता है. ठीक है, सो यू नीड टू थिंक इन दैट मैनर. यू कैन एक्चुअली अप्लाई फॉर दोज लेवल ऑफ जॉब्स. योर स्टार्टिंग सैलरी कुड बी प्रिटी गुड. लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको 3-4 lakhs पर एनम पैकेज में आपको सेटिस्फाइड होना पड़ेगा. यू कैन एक्चुअली स्केल अप टू 6 or 7 lakhs एट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द करियर ऑल्सो. ठीक है, इफ यू आर रियली गुड एंड यू आर एबल टू क्रिएट अ गुड पोर्टफोलियो आउट ऑफ इट. ठीक है, सेकेंड थर्ड थिंग दैट इज जो मैंने अभी मेंशन किया है इज पोर्टफोलियो. ठीक है, अब देखो आपकी बैच में आपकी क्लास में हो सकता है अभी 60 स्टूडेंट्स होंगे या इवन लेस और मोर. ठीक है, प्लस माइनस 20-30 और वॉट एवर इट इज. ठीक है, what is something that is different in you from those people? So that is a very good question that you need to always ask yourself. Okay, how are you different? So I always give a very bad example about it. For example, like there are unskilled laborers. So क्या होता है कि normally you know cities के अंदर ऐसा होता है कि there is a place जहाँ पर सब unskilled laborers morning में इकट्ठा होते हैं. ठीक है, a person who wants to do something, if I want that मेरे घर में कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन है कुछ चल रहा है, I go to that place, I pick up any 2 people that I like and I just come back with me and I give them work. ठीक है, because everyone according to my perception, according to my thoughts are having the same set of skills. ठीक है, किसी के पास कुछ अलग नहीं है, but you guys are not that. Remember that you are skilled people. You are actually investing a lot of time, money and even you know efforts in learning something good, going to pretty good colleges over there. And after that अगर ऐसा हो कि पता चला TCS विप्रो आपके कॉलेज में आती है और बोलती है कि यार हमको 100 लोग चाहिए, क्योंकि यू नो हर HR का माइंडसेट अलग होता है जो आपके कॉलेज में आ रहा है. तो इफ समवन इज कमिंग ओवर देयर एंड दे आर लाइक कि यू नो ठीक है बेसिक एप्टीट्यूड ले लिया वो ले लिया एंड दे सिलेक्टेड आउट ऑफ 100 पीपल इंटरव्यू में, उनको जो अच्छा लगा उसको सिलेक्ट कर लिया. तो दैट इज नॉट हाउ थिंग्स वर्क. What we are training you is that we want you to create a portfolio, a unique portfolio for yourself, that companies actually call you from LinkedIn, from GitHub, from all these platforms. They actually call you directly कि यार हमको आपके जैसे ही बंदा चाहिए. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके दोस्त को ले लेंगे या आपके बैचमेट को, नहीं ले ही नहीं सकते भैया, हमको आप ही चाहिए. बिकॉज आपके पास वो पोर्टफोलियो है, आपके पास वो स्किल सेट है, लाइक दैट. So everything that you are seeing here ना कि ये फ्रंट एंड, ये बैक एंड और ये सब चीज़ें जो बातें कर रहा हूँ ना, we will be actually helping you in creating a portfolio using these tools so that you can showcase it to the world कि देखो मेरे को ये आता है. मैं बस बोलने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरे को ये चीज़ आती है या वो चीज़ आती है. No, I have created something that is live. You can actually go and explore it. You can test it out कि देखो ये मैंने कितनी अच्छी चीज़ बनाई. ठीक है. Portfolio is very important today. It's very critical. So I really recommend every student to have their own unique portfolio. ठीक है. और पोर्टफोलियो का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें बनानी पड़ेगी. Like today only I was giving an example in my previous class that when I was doing engineering, I started with the project in second year, and I stick with that project. I was stuck with that project for around 2 years. ठीक है. तो मैंने मन में एक सोचा मैं ऐसी एप्लीकेशन बनाना है, and I started working on that app, and that app was for Windows Phone, and actually did pretty good. It was one of the top application in travel category. So even like people who have used Windows Phone before, they might be knowing about the application. So that's where the application was. So for 2 years in my engineering, I was working on that single platform, on their single application, and it gave me that big satisfaction. First thing. Secondly, everything in programming that I know today, it is because of that single application. So even a single app or a single project or a single idea can actually help you in creating something that good or that awesome. Okay, so you don't need 10 alag cheezein, you need just one. You need to focus on only one thing. We will help you in figuring out that what is that one thing, and then you will be creating a portfolio, and then you will be showcasing it on LinkedIn, on GitHub, and all the other channels that you want, so that other people are actually watching you over there, and they will be actually able to connect you directly, and you can get awesome opportunities over there. Even if you're talking about companies like Google, Microsoft, you want to work for those companies actually hire using these platforms. They see your performance on LinkedIn, they see your performance on GitHub, and they see that how you are coding. They actually want to explore your code, and they can give you pretty good, awesome opportunities. So that's the benefit that we want, that is for you guys. Okay. Now, after this, द मेन क्वेश्चन अराइज कि ठीक है ये सब चीज़ें तो हो गई सर, बट ये प्रोग्राम का वो क्या रहेगा, स्ट्रक्चर क्या रहेगा, कब चलेगा, कब तक नहीं चलेगा, लाइक दैट. सो वी हैव नॉट गिवन अ डेडलाइन टू दैट. देयर इज नो एंड डेट कि ठीक है ये इस टाइम को खत्म हो जाएगा. नो, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है. ये प्रोग्राम जब तक चलेगा, जब तक अगर आप इसको एनरोल करते हो, इफ यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द टाइप कम्युनिटी और द यूथ प्रोजेक्ट कम्युनिटी, सो you will be here, we will be there for you as long as you need. Even किसी भी तरीके की हेल्प आपको लगेगी. ये तो बस प्रोफेशनल लेवल की बात कर रहा हूँ, बट अगर आपको जैसे बस कोडिंग के लेवल की बात कर रहा हूँ, पर इसके अलावा भी आपको करियर रिलेटेड चॉइसेस में, या इवन इफ यू नीड हेल्प कि सर मेरे को एमएस करना है, मास्टर्स करना है, एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट आई कैन डू, लाइक दैट, वी विल बी शेयरिंग यू रियल इनसाइट्स दैट यू कैन यूज इन मेकिंग राइट डिसीजंस. ठीक है. दैट इज सर मेरे पास 4 जॉब ऑफर्स है, इसमें से कौन सा सबसे बेस्ट है, किसके लिए मुझे जाना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, लाइक दैट. सो देयर इज गोइंग टू बी एन ओपन कन्वर्सेशन, ओपन चैनल और ओपन forum where you can discuss everything with us. Other something that is that cannot be actually measured is when you will become a part of it. Even right now the course, the batch that is going on, एक बेनिफिट हुआ है ऑनलाइन जाने का, दैट टुगेदर वी आर कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम पीपल अक्रॉस इंडिया. So similarly, when you will be working with us in this program, you will realize that there are so many different students from so many different versatile backgrounds. Someone is joining from Delhi, someone is joining from Gujarat, someone is joining from South India, like that. So you will be actually getting exposure from so many different colleges together, right? So that's something that is immeasurable. That thing I cannot measure it on a screen कि वो कितना benefit करता है. Even in future, every single person that is going to be part of the program with you, you all will evolve into pretty good friends. And 4 years down the line or 3 years down the line, every one of you will be working in different companies, and that is going to actually help you in creating a good professional network in the future. And we are only talking about students, Joe, they were proactive about their career choices. थर्ड ईयर और फोर्थ ईयर में अगर आप ये सोच पा रहे हो अच्छे से कि नहीं मुझे ऐसा कोई कोर्स करना पड़ेगा और ऐसे कोर्स से मुझे फायदा हो रहा है, तो यू आर ऑलरेडी अहेड ऑफ मेनी अदर पीपल हु हैव नॉट येट थॉट अबाउट इट। सो जस्ट इमेजिन कि आप उस लीग में जा रहे हो जहां पर यू विल फाइंड ओनली दोज पीपल who are really proactive about their career choices, and they are thinking about it very actively, and they want to create something good. They want to be like best in their fields like that. So you are creating a connection, a network out of those people. Those are really talented people, including you, and it's going to be an amazing opportunity for everyone. You are absolutely going to love what we are going to have you for them. Okay, so it's going to be a live open community working together creating projects. So you know what I compare the youth project is, just like you might have heard about the Super 30 batch for IIT, right? So in Bihar, like even there was a movie for that, and there was a movie about it. So that's the kind of thing that I am thinking right now, and Devansh is thinking right now. That's what we envision when we talk about the youth project. It's going to be the allied club in India of all the student developers who are really talented, passionate, doing something good, and they want to create something amazing. And every single person who is part of the youth project or who graduates from the youth project program, they will be part of the tier one category of engineers of the country and across the globe as well. So that's the whole idea behind the youth project, and I hope that this actually helped you in making it clear that what we are up to and what we want to do. So anyway, if you have any other questions regarding that, then I think this is the right time to speak up. Let me check if there are any other questions. Okay, I see a few questions. Okay. All right, so even if you have any questions, then this is the right time, and you can please share it with us at the moment. I'm waiting for your responses, and let's answer what you have. Of course, this session will be recording it, so even if you want to share it with your friends, we'll be giving you the link, and you can use that link to share it with other people. And yeah, right now I'm open for question. So anything you want to ask about the youth project, and it's not just about youth project, इसको थोड़ा सा chill रखते हैं. Chill में मतलब if you want to ask something about the career itself, shoot it right now. We are here for you. We'll be answering that. कि सर इसमें ऐसा कैसे करते, सर ये सुना है, ऐसा करना चाहिए, ऐसा करना चाहिए. What do you suggest? ये अच्छा है या वो अच्छा है, like that. So use this opportunity to ask those questions, and there are many other students who are there who will be actually listening to this, and they will be benefiting out of it, of your question and also your experience like that. So come on, I'm waiting for your questions. Let's see that if you have something in your mind. And it needs to be totally frank environment. ठीक है, कोई भी बिल्कुल हम बिल्कुल chill way में रखते हैं. कोई ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं you need to call us like Gaurav sir is there, Devansh sir is there. ना भाई, ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है आपको. You need to be very frank with us. You can share anything that you want with us. We are always there for you. In the past batches, it has been like in some days we are actually like for example रात की 10 बजे 12 बजे 1 बजे तक हम लोगों के बच्चों के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, ट्राइंग टू वर्क टुगेदर, ट्राइंग टू कोड टुगेदर लाइक दैट. इवन कुछ बच्चे ऐसे रहते हैं जो मिडनाइट कोडिंग कर रहे थे, रात के 5 बजे मैसेज आता है कि बोले कि सर ये ऐसा कैसे हो गया, सर ये इसमें ऐसा कैसे करना, वो करना है. एंड दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ commitment that we have from the students, and that's really exciting. I'm not talking that you need to do a midnight thing. It's totally up to you. आपको कैसे करना है, how do you want to manage it, totally up to you. ठीक है, but yeah, that's the way how we think that we can become very good engineers or programmers. So Devansh, have I missed anything? You can let me know.
Hey Gaurav. So I
Hi.
think it was yeah, it was very descriptive, and it gave a overall glimpse. But some things can only be felt, okay? And
Yes,
those things
true.
can happen only when you actually come inside the class, and the kind of atmosphere which we create. Because see, it's not only about how much technically we can give you a whole lot of universe technically, but along with that, the one thing which matters a lot is how uh, we create such a environment where you can easily ask your question, easily share your insecurities, however lame the doubt is, you feel that it is very I can ask such a question, and how I can ask such a lame question. Many people think that. So this kind of environment which we create, a friendly environment in which the students feel like they are not being judged by their doubts, and that let themselves explore themselves more, and they can easily express their skills, they can easily explore their skills, which is the most amazing thing about this. So sir, there is a question, sir, do you teach GitHub? Yeah, yes. So
Yes. So
this
if you are
of
seeing
course
the
we can.
screen right now, sorry
Yep,
Devansh for interrupting. I'm so
yep, yep,
excited
yep.
over
Please,
this
please go
question.
on. Yep,
So
please go
if
on.
you are seeing the screen right now, this is the youth project organization, and you can see that these are actually the students who have been creating the code in the GitHub. So there are a few projects that we have been working on with the students at the moment, and you can see that all the students are part of it. Like, see, there are 14 students, 14 people who are part of this organization. They are working in a team, and like, see this board. This everything is actually managed by a student. हमने कुछ भी नहीं करा ये. I promise. These are all things that have actually been done by students. Students are using all the GitHub features. They are creating a board out of it. जो different APIs है या जो भी चीजें वो बना रहे हैं, for every single project that they are creating, every single feature they are creating, they are using issues feature to actually make different pull requests. और इसके अलावा जितनी भी repositories है, you can see that, okay, like you can see this repository, let it load. Okay, there you see, like, there are 16 branches right now. Everything that you see over here, 181 commits, and you see all the students are doing it. Check this, right? So like that's the whole idea behind it. We are going to teach you how to actually work in team and work on GitHub. And if you even want to contribute to open source projects tomorrow, you can use that knowledge to actually contribute tomorrow in different open source projects. Of course, so that answers the question. Yes, GitHub is a pretty lively and very important and critical part of the training that we are going to do.
Right, exactly. So I didn't understand the question. Not able to hear you, Gaurav.
I'm not speaking anything. I'm actually trying to make sense of the question that is there. So we have a question here that is like being in first year and having only a small idea about all the domain, choosing a domain. See, if you are in first year, I think अभी जो students है ना, students क्या बोलते हैं, सर आप एक ईयर पहले हमको और मिल जाते सर मजा आ जाता, हम फोड़ देते, ठीक है. So there is always like it's never like that. Even there are school students who are actually approaching us. जो 12th class के बाद बोले सर हमको तो college करना ही नहीं है, हम तो सोचते हैं सर कॉलेज में कुछ नहीं रखा है, अगर ऐसा अच्छे से हमने टैलेंटेड वो कर लिया है तो आई थिंक वी विल बी एबल टू डू दैट, बिकॉज हमने सुना है कॉलेज में इतना वो होता है, ये होता है. And you know what I tell them? That please don't think like that. College is not just for studying. It is for making some friends that actually last long for whole of your life. It's for making it's for amazing experiences that you get. The technical festivals, the cultural festivals which are there, everything. It's actually an experience. Engineering is not something that मैं बोलता हूँ कि ऐसा नहीं है कि एक course है. It's kind of a way of life that you learn when you do engineering. Okay? So skipping an engineering college, I don't think that's a good option. But yeah, again back to the question that if you're talking like that, na, ki, like if you don't have domain knowledge right now, and for like tomorrow you will have to experience every single domain to actually figure out which is the best one. We are starting from scratch right now, so this is going to benefit you. I trust me on that, and you are going to love it. And you know, other people are going to envy. Right now हमारे पास ऐसे है कि फोर्थ ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स है, थर्ड ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स है, सेकंड ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स है, और सब पता है कि अपने जूनियर से एनवी करते हैं, बोले कि यार ये लोगों को इतना पहले मिल गया एक्सपीरियंस, हमको तो मिला ही नहीं उस टाइम पे. So it is going to be pretty good option or opportunity for you to actually explore this. And you know, this time when we are in this kind of situation when we are not able to go to the colleges, you are not able to attend different workshops. You know, I started like attending different workshops when I was in first year of the college, and that's when I actually got to know a few things. कि ठीक है ये कैसे होता है ये, like I actually started working on robotics and all those line following robots and all these things I was introduced in first year. So although that was not in my field, I was from IT background. So even then, me and my friends who were part of the mechanical background, they actually thought कि ठीक है इसको attend करते हैं. And you know, that thing I learned in first year, and that was it. I didn't have to look back and again think of it कि यार ये होता कैसे है in fourth year as well. ठीक है, I was ahead of those people who are right now starting working on that line following thing, or figuring out what robotics is, how Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and all these things work. So it's never late to start. Okay, think of it in that way that this is an opportunity you are getting so much ahead of time, and you can use it and utilize it, and to actually shape the next years of your engineering college into a way where that can actually help you in landing a job which is around 40 lakhs or 50 lakhs rupees per annum at just the start. आपने सुना होगा ना कि आपने कि in IIT someone is getting 1 crore of package or 1.5 crores of package or something like that. What is stopping you? Even if you are not from IIT, there is nothing that is actually stopping you from getting just that kind of package. If you have the right exposure, you can actually score a very good package like that even today. Even if you guys are in fourth year, please remember, if you are able to create right portfolio, if you are able to dedicate right time, have good skill set, then it's going to be an amazing opportunity for you, and you will be able to score pretty amazing good packages that you will be proud of, your parents will be proud of, and you will be very much satisfied out of that. So another question is there, that is which organization to choose to contribute. So see, there are multiple organizations which are there if you want to contribute on GitHub. Okay. So one thing that the scope of this training is right now to actually tell you how to contribute. Which to contribute is something that we can figure out over the time. Okay. But the important question is how to contribute. So if you don't know how to contribute, then you know, if you feel like ठीक है मुझे Linux पे contribute करना है, but you don't know how to do that, so that doesn't make sense, right? And you know, the best part about the web development is something that is very live. So right now जैसे अपन बात कर रहे हैं React की, ठीक है? So actually you can go to React's source code here. So you know, this is React source code. ठीक है, नाउ यू आर वर्किंग ऑन रिएक्ट और आपको लगता है कि अरे यार इसमें कहीं पर ये प्रॉब्लम है, तो आपने क्या बोला कि ठीक है मैं खुद ही चेंज करता हूँ. सो यू कैन एक्चुअली कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू रिएक्ट इटसेल्फ इफ यू आर वर्किंग ऑन सम टेक्नोलॉजी ना. देयर आर टू वेज टू गो. ठीक है, वन थिंग, you are really mesmerized with the GSOC thing, that is Google Summer of Code, या फील लाइक कि सर उनको तो बस है ना कंट्रीब्यूट करना है ताकि हम दिखा सके. ठीक है, वो दिखा सके उसलिए कंट्रीब्यूट करना है ना, वो आपको ज़्यादा आगे नहीं ले जा पाएगी. Although you will be able to earn good money, handsome money out of GSOC program, but that's not how things work. What you need to do is you need to work on some things like React is there if you're working on HighCharts or any other library which you are working on. And when you are working on it, you feel that there is something that I can help the repository or help the open source project. That time contribute over there. Okay. And you know, you never know, just doing that you will be actually employed in even Facebook. If you are contributing in React, it's very high probable that you can receive a call from Facebook that please join us, we want you guys here, like that. So and the
And
next please
yeah,
Devansh.
one more thing which I want to ask, add is those who feel कि ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा specialized हो जाएगा. You ask the people who have been a victim of the fact कि they are in the fourth year and उनके जो पिछले 3 साल रहे हैं वो ऐसे रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट ईयर में they did C++, and created nothing out of it. Then the syllabus asked them to do Java. Again, they created nothing out of it. And then you know the rest of the story, how drastic it goes. So, guys, you are lucky. That's what Gaurav says. And I totally agree because if you're 3 years down the line, I know, and even Gaurav and me know, even you will realize कि the paper resumes are going to be obsolete. No one is going to believe on you on the basis of paper resumes. Why? Because it is easy to download code यार. इतना सारा मटेरियल है ऑनलाइन. ठीक है, हर कोई हर कुछ लिख सकता है. ठीक है. So they are going to see your online presence. आपने क्या बना रखा है, आपने क्या small चीजें, आपने छोटी छोटी चीजें बना रखी हो, तो वो सब देखेंगे. So that's why it is great, like it can be a blessing for you to join in the first or second year of your college life.
Yes, so one more question is there, right? In being in first year, like full-fledgedly choosing full stack and like not focusing on other thing is going to be like a confusion for you. So I understand the question, but you know, this is like fear of missing out that normally we say FOMO, right? So क्या होता है कि whenever you know you are part of these things, you feel कि यार एक चीज पे इतना फोकस करा कि दूसरी चीजें आप एक्सपीरियंस कर ही नहीं पाओगे, ठीक है? So one thing that you need to know is the youth project is not advocating here that every one of you should become a full stack developer. No, we don't want every one of you to actually become a full stack developer. We want you guys to actually get the experience ki how development works in real field and how you can utilize that to create a good portfolio. ठीक है? Like मैंने ये हर बार बोला है और अभी भी वापस से बोल रहा हूँ. This is just one of hundreds of fields which are there in programming right now that you can experience, okay? Or you know, even the students that we are working on right now, they are actually working like standalone. They are working on many amazing applications. Someone is making a chatbot, someone is actually working with OpenCV and computer vision stuff and all these things and like that. So they have their own experiences, they have their own skill set, they have their own thing that they want to invest time in, and we actually help them in that also. It's not like even if they are asking questions about us from about computer vision or something, we won't actually tell them कि नहीं नहीं भाई तुम full stack पे focus करो, ये सब में कुछ भी नहीं रखा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है? But being part of such a professional setup, you actually get to experience that how the job industry is right now. You have the support of us that can actually help you in making right decisions. If you talk about AWS cybersecurity, which was in the question right now, it's a pretty amazing field, okay? But before you actually jump into the cloud computing, it is critical and it is very important to know how the web works. And this project or this course is actually going to help you in understanding the whole nitty gritty or the basics of the web, that how the web development works and how web applications work and why like these things are there. Many students, you know, come to us and ask me questions about like, sir, what is Docker? मैंने नया नया सुना है. Sir, what is Kubernetes? We never tell them that no, this is not part of your program. We will not answer that. We actually even encourage them that if you want to learn more, please learn. And if you are stuck somewhere, please ask us. We'll actually help you in even that. Okay, so it's an initiative to help you grow that thought process, that thinking of how you can actually be a good professional in the future. It's not just about the MERN stack or just a full stack development. Full stack development is just a medium to help you reach there, so that it actually helps you in getting to know better the programming tools and technologies that are normally used in the industry setup. And yes, like if you are asking that will be starting from scratch? Yes, of course. We will be starting from zero. We will be actually starting from basic Hello World programs and all the things that we are working on, so that everyone is comfortable. And you know, sometimes अगर ऐसा होता है कि 2-3 students को अगर नहीं आ रहा है समझ में, तो हम extra time भी देते हैं. We actually take even extra classes. Even if it's like कि schedule हुआ है कि नहीं नहीं, we'll be only having a 1 hour class. But if someone wants to understand something better, so even we do that. The main objective is to actually ensure कि you are comfortable with things, ठीक है? तो उसके लिए हमको जो करना पड़ेगा, वी आर डूइंग दैट.
One more question, Gaurav, which
Yes.
we should and must discuss is कि some of the students were asking me that I am from data science specialization and I am in second year.
Mhm.
So MERN stack और full stack तो मेरे syllabus में है ही नहीं. So what should I do?
So that's what, even there I was saying this right now, even I explained this, that this process, this program is actually to make you acquainted with the whole process of
Yeah,
how development works in real life, okay, in real life technologies, okay. So this is just a medium, full stack is just a medium to get to know it. And full stack is a very good medium that we feel, because we actually thought about many different programming languages or platform or stacks, that we could think कि ठीक है हम ये वाली stack से पढ़ा सकते हैं या वो वाली stack से पढ़ा सकते हैं, but nothing is as fulfilling as we are talking about this program, ठीक है. And the second part is, if you are talking about that you are from data science, so what I understand from data science is the one of the most prominent part of data science is data processing and data visualization. So for processing data, you need backend, you need Node.js, you need MongoDB, or you need something similar to that. So of course, if we talk about big data or the like unstructured data, you cannot skip NoSQL databases. So this project is actually going to help you in learning what is this Node.js and how the NoSQL databases work. So that's the data processing part. And one more important part is data visualization. So even if you are like in a data, if you want to be a data scientist, if you are not able to visualize the data completely properly, then I don't think it makes sense. Like if I talk about this website that many people would be aware of, that is covid19india.org. This is having a traffic of around 60 lakhs per day, 60 lakhs visitor a day. Can you imagine? And when I talk about this website, you see it's actually showing so much data. But if they were not able to visualize it correctly, do you think that people would be knowing that what COVID-19 India is? They would be having just four numbers over here. कि ठीक है ये फोर नंबर्स है हमारे पास, अब देख लो कि चलो ये होता है. There are other websites also. There is one worldometer that everyone is using, right? So when we talk about these websites, data visualization is a very critical part. So no, you cannot be a data scientist if you don't know how to visualize data correctly using graphs and other methodology. And this thing requires knowledge of JavaScript, it requires knowledge of databases, it requires knowledge of APIs or servers. So it's very, very important. So I think that answers your question.
yep.
Yes, so someone says that, yeah, we leave any student behind. Of course, this is what we are committed to. We don't want to leave anyone behind. Whatever you feel you want to do, we will be supporting you in that. And we consider this as a type family. It's not just something like कि ठीक है एक प्रोग्राम है, एक अपना मेंटर और मेंटी का रिलेशनशिप है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We are talking about a family kind of a forum that actually helps us grow. ठीक है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कल you get to know some new things and you will be teaching other students कि यार पता है ये वाली चीज़ अपन यूज़ करते हैं या इसको इस तरीके से करते हैं, या फिर ये वाली चीज़ बहुत अच्छी है, इसका अपन साथ में काम करते हैं. So you will be actually interacting with like-minded people. Maybe if you want to create something together with them, you are free to do that. Create good, beautiful, awesome projects with them. Showcase it to the world, and like that, there are like endless opportunity. Totally up to you how you want to take it.
So yeah, in extension to that, as Gaurav said, that this is like we are trying to build a community, and see, this is not our main source of income, and I'm saying this because someone has asked, is this program paid? So see, this is like a one-time enrollment, and you can study like for an year or so. हमारे बहुत सारे आगे पाइथन के भी programs होने वाले हैं जो हम लोगों ने सोच रखा है, and you can attend those programs as well in the same enrollment. So that's why we call key, or why this is needed is because two things. One, we need a commitment from your side as well. So, and this commitment is very less. The amount is very less as compared to your it is negligible as compared to your college fee or something like that. And the second thing is we need the oil to run this community, and every penny which we are getting out of it, we are again reinvesting it to the community for the community. We are giving financial help to around 40 to 50% of students who have studied with us till now. And the only aim is कि if you will feel कि हाँ मैं भी इस community में कुछ contribute कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, then the help, the financial help will reach to the right place. Okay, the person who is highly interested और सिर्फ पैसे की वजह से वो नहीं कर पा रहा है, he has a lot of, he has a bright future, उसके अंदर बहुत सारी skills हैं सीखने की, लेकिन सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो फाइनेंशियल इशू की वजह से नहीं कर पा रहा है. सो उस पर्सन तक आपकी हेल्प पहुंचेगी अगर आप इसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन करते हो तो. सो दिस इज आवर गोल. That's why we have kept a small pay fee for that, and this is a one-time fee, and you can leverage all the resources that is the network, the alumni network which we have, okay, the jobs which we keep posting, okay, and the other grooming sessions which are going to happen in the future. So you will be eligible for all those things. So this is the thing. How can I be a part of this project? I seen your message of the webinar in the WhatsApp group. So what you can do is, if you are interested, because you are making an anonymous question over here. So what you can do is you can revert us on that, like from that group, you take our number and ping us on WhatsApp, and will share the details with you. And yes, this is the procedure. And then we will have a kind of an interview session to know about each other, and then we will move further from there. Anonymous ने तो बैच बनाई थी कोविड की वेबसाइट in second week.
Yes, so we created like the student created that. I actually opened it right now also. So there was this website that was created by one of our students during their second week. So you actually can write down the name of the country, and then when you click on the submit button, so it actually gives you the current state statistics of that country like that. So that was actually created by one of our students. So that is, I think, someone from our team is actually mentioning that.
Right, that's awesome. Yes. So I think that pretty much answers all the questions, and we shall now wrap up the session. What's it, Gaurav?
Yes, so I'm just answering one more question. There was this question about GSOC, that which one should be like, which community we should contribute to. So yeah, the answer is very simple. That first thing, the uh, first objective is to actually teach you how to contribute. Then we can actually talk about it, that where to contribute. If you are comfortable, you know whole process, that how Git and GitHub works and how you can contribute, then please, we would love to have a discussion with you about where your interest lies, and suggest you a few communities or some projects where you can contribute to. You can drop us a private message over there, and we can actually help you in there. Okay, there is one more. Let's see. Uh, and that's kind of same thing, right? I guess. Yeah. Okay, it was created by Himanshu. Is sharing that. It's good. Nice. And this is actually live data, if I'm not wrong. This is coming from Worldometer, I guess. Last updated. Right. Real-time data. That's great. Okay, so I hope we don't have any further questions, any more questions, and we are good to wrap it up. So we'll be also sharing the recording with you guys. So if you want to forward it to anyone else, because best part about the program is if you do it in a group, if you have the friends with you, then it becomes pretty easy, amazing experience for you and also your friends, and it's going to help you grow together. So if you want to your friends also to join in, then please, we are like open, and we will love to have them on board with us, and we'll help them. Other than that, see, our main objective is always with the youth project is that we want to empower you, to help you guys to get better and take pretty good, awesome jobs in the future. Or maybe even if you want to create a good startup of your own, you are more than welcome. We will actually encourage you doing that. We'll help you with all the resources that we have. So anything that you want to discuss with us, please message us. Okay, we'll try to help you there. So other than that, please follow us on different channels where you can actually, you know, have a good look. So you can actually go to the youth project underscore in on Instagram, and there we actually post a lot of good things. So right now also we are actually running a giveaway in which if you want a very systematic roadmap for your career, so we can have a one-to-one counseling session where we can actually discuss that whatever things that you love, and you know, if you want to do anything, and we can actually create a roadmap for that, that what are the things, how you can process further like that. Okay, so you can take part in this giveaway. Go to our Instagram and you will be able to see that. Of course, we are also exploring other fields also. So while I'm speaking right now, there is one class that is going on right now that's about UI and UX. So if you are experienced, if you want to experience even there, so just drop us a message, or the next time we will be starting a UI UX patch, we'll let you know. And other than that, another important place where you can find us is YouTube. So even this session is going to be uploaded there. I hope, I think I will be able to upload that. Okay, so it's bit.ly/type YouTube. So just go here and just press the subscribe button so that you know it. And even you will find our past videos of multiple different things that we did over here. So in, you know, around a month back, we actually did a pretty amazing session with one of the most like amazing open source contributor that I know, that is Jan Nicholas. So he is one of the like, you know, main contributor in RxJS community. It's one of the, you know, pretty amazing and beautiful framework that is used by most of the applications and web JavaScript applications. So even he was there with us, and he actually helped us and also asked, like shared his knowledge that how someone can start with open source contribution and like that. So even if you want, you can actually go ahead and check this video. So for that, just go to this channel, and like I shared with you, the link is bit.ly/type YouTube. Okay, let me share this also in the announcement, so you can actually go here and check it out. Okay, we also did a few programs a few months back, and even that thing is actually available there. So YouTube link, I'm just sharing it on chat. And the second thing is, the other thing is Instagram. So we will love to help you. I love to have you on board. And if you want to, if you have any specific question, please ping us. We'll actually try to get back to you and help you in whatever things you want. Okay. So here are the links, the YouTube link and Instagram link. I did, okay, that's okay. Okay. Yeah, Devansh. So are you saying something?
Yeah, so let's finish this. And thank you so much for joining in, guys. Thank you so much,
Bye,
Gaurav.
guys. Thank you
है ना?
so much. Thank you very.
See you again.
It's a good opportunity to actually help the young generation to make better choices, and we will be always committed to that. And let's. I hope to see you all in the session, and let's create some amazing, beautiful things and astonish many minds across India and even the world that what students are actually capable of. With that, signing off here. That's Gaurav, and with me it's Devansh. Thank you so much. Bye
Thank you
bye.
so much. Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.